Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a curious child named Lily. She loved to explore and dream of magical adventures. One sunny day, Lily spotted something extraordinary in the sky. It was a shimmering rainbow that didn't fade away like others. The colors danced and sparkled, inviting her to come closer. As Lily watched in wonder, the rainbow began to change. It stretched and curved, transforming into a beautiful glowing bridge that reached up into the fluffy white clouds above. Lily's heart fluttered with excitement. She took a deep breath, gathered her courage, and stepped onto the rainbow bridge. It felt warm and soft beneath her feet, like walking on a pillow made of light. Up and up she climbed, higher and higher into the sky. The world below grew smaller, and the clouds grew bigger. Soon, Lily found herself in a magical place, unlike anything she had ever seen before. Welcome to Cloudland. Everything here was made of soft, fluffy clouds. Lily giggled as she bounced gently on the cloud ground. It was like walking on the fluffiest marshmallows in the world. As she explored this wondrous new world, Lily met some very special friends. A group of cloud bunnies hopped by, their fur as soft as cotton candy. They nuzzled Lily's hand, making her laugh with delight. Next, a flock of cloudbirds soared overhead, leaving trails of sparkling mist behind them. They chirped a cheerful song that made Lily's heart feel light and happy. Then, perched on a cloud tree, Lily spotted a wise-looking cloud owl. Its big, round eyes twinkled with kindness and knowledge. The owl hooted softly, welcoming Lily to Cloudland. But suddenly, something strange began to happen. The beautiful rainbow bridge that had brought Lily to Cloudland started to fade. Its once vibrant colors were becoming dull and gray. The cloud animals looked worried. The wise cloud owl explained to Lily that Cloudland needed help. The colors were disappearing, and without them, the magic of Cloudland might vanish too. Lily knew she had to do something. She remembered how her mum always said that kindness and courage could solve any problem. So, with determination in her heart, Lily set out on a quest to save Cloudland. First, she gathered kindness. Lily helped a little cloud bunny find its family, giving it a gentle hug when they were reunited. A spark of red appeared in the fading rainbow. Next, she spread laughter. Lily played a fun game of hide-and-seek with the cloudbirds, their joyful chirps echoing through Cloudland. A flash of orange and yellow returned to the bridge. Then she made new friendships. Lily listened to the wise cloud owl stories and shared her own, creating a bond of trust and understanding. Green and blue colors began to shine brightly once more. As Lily's acts of kindness, laughter, and friendship filled Cloudland, something magical happened. The rainbow bridge glowed brighter and brighter, its colors more vibrant than ever before. The cloud animals cheered and danced around Lily. She had saved Cloudland. The wise cloud owl hooted proudly, telling Lily that her brave and kind heart had brought back the magic. But it was time for Lily to return home. With hugs and promises to visit again, she waved goodbye to her new cloud friends. The rainbow bridge sparkled beneath her feet as she made her way back to Earth. As Lily's feet touched the ground in her familiar little town, she knew she would never forget her adventure in Cloudland. She had learned that even the smallest acts of kindness could bring light and color to the world. From that day on, Lily looked for ways to spread kindness and courage in her own world. She helped her friends, shared laughter with her family, and always remembered the magic she found over the rainbow bridge. And sometimes, on special days when the sun shone just right, Lily would look up at the sky and see a shimmer of rainbow colors in the clouds. It was a reminder that magic and wonder are always there for those with kind hearts and brave spirits. So, dear children, remember Lily's adventure. Be kind to others, laugh often, and make new friends. For in your heart, you too have the power to create rainbows and bring color to the world around you. Sweet dreams, little ones. May your own adventures be filled with kindness, courage, and all the colors of the rainbow.